discuss this extremely important, critical issue for parents with us. And I'd like to invite the panel to first come and sit here, and after which I will be introducing them. So I'm going to let them come here first, so you can all sit in suspense and wonder who they are, and then they'll be introduced. So before we begin today's interesting discussion, for those of you who don't know who I am, I'd like to just introduce myself and explain my connection for being here. My name is Tara Sharma Saluja. I'm an actress, an entrepreneur, and the creator, co-producer, and host of the Tara Sharma Show, a parenting show which is currently on Star World on Sundays at 11. And some of you in the audience have been on my show as guests, and I hope all of you have watched it. I'm very fortunate to have a fantastic brand as the presenting sponsors of my show, a brand that really understands the bond between parents and children, and a brand that understands the science behind healthy baby development and baby care, and that is Johnson's Baby. So apart from all this, I'm a devoted mom to our wonderful two children, 3-year-old Kai and 5-year-old Zen. So I think I come here predominantly as a mother. And how many of you here in the audience are parents? Please raise your hands. Okay, so it's a fair amount of people here are parents. I'm sure the rest are perhaps going to be parents at some point soon. I know there are a few pregnant people here. And of course, everyone has been a child. So I think today's event is relevant for everyone. Now, we have with us some fantastic people, as I mentioned. And as I always say on my show, for everyone who's watched it, I always say each to their own, and one should never judge another parent because everyone's situation is different. But I think what's amazing, and 4 years of doing the show and 5.5 years into being a mom myself, is that no matter what region, religion, or culture we're from, no matter who we are or what we are, I think there's one common emotion we all have, and that is the love we have for our babies, our children, and the desire to bring them up as best as we can. For that reason, on behalf of Johnson's and myself, I'm really delighted to have you all here today to discuss the critical question of how to stimulate happy, healthy baby development. Now, like most parents, when I first became a parent, I was like really excited and nervous and thrilled, and I wanted to learn everything about how to bring the babies up well, and I even stayed an extra day in the hospital to understand how to change the diapers and how to give a bath. But something that I realized is a lot of things come instinctively. And one of the main things that I think comes instinctively is the amazing importance of touch. Just holding your baby, just cuddling your baby, just having that skin-to-skin contact is so important. And when I started researching for my show and seeing the research that Johnson's Baby does, I was amazed to find that touch can have tremendous developmental benefits for baby. So actually, skin-to-skin contact is just so important in your baby's brain development. I'm sure many of you in this room enjoy splashing about in the bath with your kids, perhaps not with them, but giving them a bath. And I think that's something that as families, most of us really enjoy. What's really fascinating is, apart from the tremendous, amazing bonding experience that giving your children a bath gives us, there are also developmental benefits for babies with bath time. And today we're going to explore that regime, and we have some wonderful people here who've actually done a lot of research on touch, on massage, and on smell, and on their benefits for a baby's development. So without much further ado, I'd like to call upon Mr. Ganesh Bangalore, the General Manager of Marketing, Johnson & Johnson Consumer India, to tell us a little bit more about this and to introduce these wonderful panelists. On a personal note, I've been very fortunate to work with Ganesh and other people in the Johnson's Baby family, and I can safely vouch for the fact that they are a brand really committed to the bond between parents and kids, and they really put a lot of passion and emphasis in understanding the science behind healthy baby development. Ganesh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Tara. Good afternoon. And I'd like to carry forward what Tara said. I think we've been fortunate to work with her, and she's a really passionate mom. And she's even more passionate about sharing what she's learned, her experiences with other moms. So if anyone wants any, good afternoon again, and a very, very warm thank you for taking out time from your schedules to be part of this event. I'm a dad of a 9-year-old Aditya who still uses Johnson's Baby Top to the wash. And of course, I too have been a Johnson's Baby sometime earlier in my life, many, many years ago, as I hope that many of you in this room have been as well. And I think it's my proud privilege to stand here in front of you on behalf of a brand that for over 60 years in India and over 120 years globally has been bringing out solutions and experiences, products that are safe, mild and gentle to use on the baby and really help the mom take care of what's most precious to her baby. So today I'm here to, all of us are here to talk about certain new learnings that we've had. We recently commissioned a research which was about understanding worldwide amongst 3,500 moms in 7 countries including India, what they think about bath time. And today is about trying to understand what they think. And I know when I was walking in, there were people who asked me, what is this about? What product are you launching? And today is not about a product launch. It's about actually some things that some of you may remember as saying, oh, this is very obvious. So why are we here today? So Tara's mentioned about it. It's about touch. It's about understanding bath time, areas which are familiar. But when we did this research and we tried to understand from moms what they think about bath time. So as all of us have said, many of us have, while we were talking before, 9 out of 10 moms, parents say they love bath time. The babies love them, they love them. It's a time much more than just cleaning. It's about the fun, the emotional bond that they have with the baby then. But then surprisingly, 3 out of 4 of them also said, all that is fine, but it's something that comes in the way of me doing something else that I could have done for my baby. Half of them actually didn't think that bath time was an opportunity where they could actually influence the baby's brain development. And those are things which have been backed by emerging research that we've done, and that's something that we wanted to share. About how daily rituals, things that we do on a daily basis, like giving a bath, are opportunities for multi-sensorial experiences, which help stimulate a baby's brain development. All of us know that between 0 to 3 years is the period where the maximum development of the baby's brain happens. And whatever interaction that a mom and a parent does with the baby in those years actually helps stimulate her brain development. So I think that's what we're going to talk about today. So we got together experts in various fields to try and bring this together so that we are able to inspire a few moms to look at how they approach daily care rituals and not think of them as tasks that need to be done, but about opportunities where they can really help their baby grow and develop better. So today, with me on stage, we have Scott Beaudry. I will do a detailed introduction a little later. Dr. Jacob Thomas, renowned dermatologist from Chennai. Mr. S.R. Iyer, a leading fragrance expert from leading fragrance house Givaudan. So without further ado, I would first call upon Scott. Scott is a director with baby care research and development in Johnson & Johnson. He's an expert pathologist. Scott and his team spend hours studying all aspects about baby care. They spend hours talking to moms, talking to pediatricians, other scientists, researchers, to really try and understand what is needed for the baby. And I think he really is an expert. A testimony to that is over 8 billion baths that are given worldwide annually using Johnson's products. And I think along with his entire knowledge, I think he brings a lot of passion being a father himself. So without further ado, I would like to call upon Scott to walk us through how the entire thought of daily care rituals, which we think of as humble, can be far more powerful to give multisensorial experience to your babies, to allow them to grow in a healthy, happy way. This is what we call the science of senses, and Scott, over to you. Thank you.
So first of all, I just want to say good afternoon. As Dinesh mentioned, I'm Scott Beaudry. I'm the father of 2 wonderful children. I'm the director of baby care R&D for Asia Pacific for Johnson & Johnson. I have to admit, I haven't done this before. So I'm honored to be here in Mumbai, India, representing Johnson & Johnson in this type of event. This is a really important message where we're talking about baby care and not talking about selling a specific product. And I think that's really the message that I want you to take away, is look at the science. And that's why I'm here today, even though I'm not a professional speaker, to tell you about the science. So forgive me if I stumble a little bit on my words, but I'm, again, very happy to be here. Thank you. So for more than 18 years, I have been part of the Johnson & Johnson product research team. And we've been developing products for baby skincare, specifically against our Best for Baby standard. You may ask, what is our Best for Baby standard? What it means is that we develop our products to be safe, but not just only safe, also mild and effective, especially for baby skin. Next slide, please. But that's not all we do. Why am I here today? Well, first, what makes me so proud and passionate to come to work every day, even when I'm scared to do an event like this, is that each day, Johnson's brand as a company never stops paving the way as an industry leader in baby research. Our team consists of hundreds, I'm just one of many, many researchers across the world, including India, that have dedicated their careers to conducting research and understanding the science behind baby skin. As a global